Excited to be at Maven today in the San Fernando Valley. I'm with Dave, Mike, and Jason, and we're here to do an official unboxing of the Gavita 2400E LED light. I want to thank you guys for having us and giving us an opportunity to present this light to you guys, and I'm looking forward to having you guys put some plants under it and see what we can make happen with this.
Folds up.
So it folds up. You see it's pretty robust and heavy duty.
Nice.
If you look at this fixture, it's a total 2400 micromole lighting fixture. It's one of the special things about this fixture is as you dim it, you increase in efficiency. There's over 3,500 diodes in here, so a lot of companies will have a lighting fixture that covers the same area with about half the diodes. In this case, we're the exact opposite. We give you over 3,500 diodes. We don't have to overdrive them using the proprietary Gavita driver. The unit is IP66 rated, so that makes it safe in wet and damp environments.
I mean, needless to say, we're more than excited and really grateful for the opportunity to test this Ferrari Bugatti out and really see what it can do. Just want to thank everybody at the Gavita team and everyone all around for the chance to do it. So
definitely, thanks, Mike. I'm curious to see your reaction when we light this up.
Beautiful.
Fire her up. There it is. Wow. That's intense. So are we only at 10% right now?
Oh, that's an iron? 10% okay. In the beginning, the VCC or BCC didn't know exactly how they were going to regulate or measure cultivation space, so they turned out to be all canopies. And we went with double-ended lights because we wanted something that was tried and true and we knew would work. So now we're jumping in to capitalize on that because we need more production out of the same real estate space. So it's making good sense now to shift over to double stack LED. So we're impressed. Couldn't that be at a better timing, honestly.
I mean, awesome. We've just been waiting for all the technology to really catch up. And I mean, there's no doubt that Gavita has always been the innovator in that. And, it seems like everybody's always chasing after what they're doing. So we've been using Gavita products from the beginning.
Yeah.
And it's been really interesting and cool to see the whole evolution as every new product series comes out. And, that's usually when we jump in and we say, okay, Gavita now did it. Let's give it a test. So yeah, we're super pumped to be able to put this to action.